Hello, MCCHS chemistry parents, or parents of our sophomores. Just wanted to share with you a little bit of information about what their students are learning this semester in chemistry. So we started out this semester looking at what's called stoichiometry, and that has to do with looking at quantities of chemicals and chemical reactions and figuring out, well, if you have how much, based on how much of A, so if you had this equation, A plus B yields C, based on how much A you had, you could figure out how much B you would need to make a certain amount of C. Okay, so those were the types of reactions and equations that we were using. So a lot of math in chemistry. Okay, gases. Okay, we're looking at properties of gases, specifically relationship between temperature, pressure, and volume. Okay, so there's several gas laws involved with that. Ask them about those gas laws, and they can tell you what are the gas laws and what types of relationships, whether they are indirect or direct relationships. Solutions. We're looking to look at solutions right now. We're looking at that, looking at concentration, so measuring how much material is dissolved in some solvent, usually water. Okay, so figuring out what concentrations are and how concentrations can change. Next, we'll be going over acids and bases. So you may be familiar with lemon juice. It's a common acid. Ammonia is a common base. Okay, so things like that are going to be things that we're going to be looking at. So not only household materials, but things that would be used in a college chemistry lab. And for those of you who don't know, our chemistry class is actually held at the TCC Northwest, one of the chemistry labs there. Okay. After that, we'll be ready for our tax review, getting them ready for the tax test in late April. We're also having them do science fair projects, and they're actually online projects this year, so we're using the Google Science Fair templates. So they're actually making websites instead of posters to describe their projects. And if they haven't shared the consent forms with you, they need to, please remind them to do that. Also, every 6 weeks we do presentations on science careers. I have them do those presentations, learn about 3 different careers involving certain area of science. So last 6 weeks we looked at healthcare careers. This 6 weeks we're looking at computer science careers. Next 6 weeks we'll be looking at animal science careers. So always looking at showing them different careers that they could potentially do. So always trying to find ways to weave that career, real life element into class. So thank y'all so much. As parents, we really appreciate you guys, all of your support of your students, helping them be successful. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.